Want to make $10,000 on YouTube, even if you're a student, but have no idea where to start or how to monetize quickly? If you're tired of empty promises and want a real, step-by-step guide, direct, practical, and without fluff, this video is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to build your YouTube channel from scratch, what types of content actually generate income, and the strategies that are working in 2025 to grow fast and start earning real money. If you're tired of feeling lost and want to turn your time on social media into real cash, stay with me until the end. Here, you'll discover what actually works for students like you, actionable tips you can apply today, no excuses. Let's go. YouTube isn't just for viral dances or tech unboxings. It's a global stage where anyone, including students, can share knowledge, entertain, or inspire and get paid for it. The best part? You don't need a degree, fancy gear, or millions of followers. What you need is consistency, a bit of creativity, and a clear plan. Right now, billions of people use YouTube every month. That means there's an audience for literally anything. And if you know how to speak directly to them, you can turn your screen time into income. And here's the secret. While many are scrolling, others are building. Building audiences, building brands, and yes, building bank accounts. This is something any student can do. Yes, that includes you. You don't need a team or a studio. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. And I'm going to show you how. Your niche is your starting point, and possibly the most important decision you'll make. It's not about what's trendy today. It's about finding something you enjoy and that people are actively searching for. Think about what you already know or what you're curious to learn. Are you into personal finance, tech reviews, study tips, cooking on a budget? There's an audience for all of it. The key is to find a balance between what you like and what has demand. Don't aim too broad. Life advice is too vague. Be more specific, like how to manage money as a college student or study hacks for finals week. When you pick the right niche, creating content becomes easier, staying consistent makes sense, and growing your channel feels natural. But how do you really find that ideal niche? Let's break it down. Start by asking yourself 3 simple questions. What do you already know? Think of topics you can easily talk about, whether through experience or interest. What are people looking for? Use Google, YouTube, and even Reddit or Facebook groups to find out what people are asking. Where are they hanging out? In small channels, communities, forums? Where's your target audience? This process is called niche research, and it will define your journey with success. Here's a valuable tip. Avoid generic topics. The more specific, the better. For example, instead of studying, try how to review everything before an exam in 24 hours. Instead of healthy living, try cheat meal prep for university students. Remember, the goal isn't to reinvent the wheel. It's to teach something useful to someone who needs it right now. And yes, you can absolutely do this. Starting your YouTube channel is easier than you think. All you need is a Google account and a few minutes. First, choose a name that clearly tells people what your channel is about. Something simple, memorable, and relevant. Next, set up your profile. Add a logo, a banner, and write a short description telling who you are and what kind of content you create. Now, upload your first video, and don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect. What matters is showing up, being real, and delivering value. You don't need a studio. A smartphone and good lighting are enough. Start small. Learn as you go. But most importantly, start today. One crucial detail. Create a publishing calendar from the very beginning. That's right. Even before posting your first video, have an idea of what you'll release in the next 15 days or month. You can use Google Calendar, Notion, or even a physical notebook. The important thing is having a plan. Set a fixed day to record, edit, and publish. Once a week is a great place to start. Consistency beats perfection, always. And remember, your first videos are mostly for learning. Don't expect thousands of views right away. Focus on growth, not numbers. Start with short videos answering the most common questions in your niche. Show real results, give quick tips, help in a practical way. Above all, show up. Be human. Be real. There are 3 types of videos that work especially well for students starting out. Evergreen content. Videos that stay relevant over time, like tutorials, explainers, or life hacks. These keep bringing in views long after they're posted. Shorts, quick, engaging clips that help you grow fast. They don't require high production, but they can bring tons of visibility. Personal stories and opinions. People connect with real experiences. Talking about your journey, struggles, and lessons learned builds trust and community. Mix these formats, and you'll have a solid foundation. Focus on solving problems, answering questions, and entertaining your audience, and growth will follow. Let's dive deeper into each one. Evergreen content. This is like passive income. Once created, it keeps working for you. Examples: how to build an academic resume, how to study faster for exams, how to land an internship as a student. These videos often appear in search results and continue gaining views for months, sometimes years. Use clear keywords in your title and description, and invest in thumbnails that grab attention. Shorts. They're the gateway to fast growth. They're under 60 seconds, made with your phone, and can go viral with minimal effort. Tip: use on-screen text, trending sounds, and rhetorical questions. Example: are you making these word mistakes? How I got 10K views in 24 hours. This app changed my academic life. Use them to attract new viewers and drive traffic to your longer content. People don't just watch videos, they follow creators. Talk about your routine, frustrations, wins, and lessons learned. Show that you're human. Example: I failed that subject twice. Today, I teach it to hundreds of students every day. This builds connection, loyalty, and engagement. Growing on YouTube doesn't come from luck. It comes from strategy. First, be consistent. Post regularly, even if it's once a week. The algorithm rewards creators who show up. Second, optimize titles and thumbnails. They're your first impression. Make them count. Use curiosity, clarity, and emotion. Third, engage with your audience. Reply to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage likes and shares. Fourth, use YouTube SEO. Think about what people are searching for, and make sure your video appears when they look for it. Use keywords in your title, description, and tags. Let's go deeper into each of these. Consistency, the key to success. You don't need to post daily. You need to be reliable. Pick a fixed day of the week and stick to it religiously. This trains both your audience and the algorithm. YouTube rewards channels that maintain a release pattern. The more consistent you are, the more the algorithm trusts you. Titles and thumbnails. The digital showcase. You might have the best content in the world, but if your title and thumbnail don't catch attention, no one will click. Main tips: use words that spark curiosity. Examine 24H, no one told me rule, how I did it. Include numbers, 3 steps, 5 mistakes, 7 apps that saved my academic year. Use emotional contrasts, surprise, urgency, excitement. Engagement, the engine of the algorithm. YouTube loves when people interact with your video. Comments, likes, shares, the more, the better. So, always end with a clear call to action. Leave your comment below, backend index pointing down. Save this video to watch before your test. Tag a friend who needs to see this. SEO on YouTube. Appear in searches. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, only behind Google. Treat it like a content website. If you answer the right question, you'll show up. How to do this? Use tools like TubeBuddy, Vidic, or even YouTube's autocomplete feature. Put keywords in your title, description, and tags. Use subtitles and auto-transcription to boost ranking. Monetizing on YouTube is much more than turning on ads. In fact, relying solely on ads can leave you disappointed. Here are real ways to start earning money with your channel early. Affiliate marketing. Promote products you genuinely like and earn commission per sale. Channel memberships. Offer exclusive perks to loyal fans. Super chat in live streams. Viewers can pay to highlight their messages during broadcasts. Brand deals. When your channel grows, companies may reach out to collaborate. Digital products, courses, guides, templates. Create once, sell repeatedly. Let's explore each one in depth. Affiliate marketing. It's one of the easiest ways to make money online. Just recommend products/services and earn commission per sale. How to start. Search for affiliate programs on platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Hotmart. Record videos recommending products you already use. Include the link in the description with honest recommendations. Channel memberships. Works like a subscription. You offer exclusive benefits to those who support your work. Ideas. Exclusive, live Q&As. Behind-the-scenes content. Monthly updates or bonus material. Super Chat. During live streams, viewers can pay to highlight their messages. It's fast, interactive, and profitable. You could host weekly live sessions, answering questions, doing tutorials, or even casual hangouts. Brand deals. Companies pay to promote their products if you have an engaged audience. How to start. Clearly showcase your reach, subscriber count, average views, viewer demographics. Send outreach emails. Hi, name. I run a YouTube channel focused on it. I currently have subscriber count, subscribers, and average views per video. I'd love to explore a collaboration to promote product/service to my audience. Be professional, but personable. Digital products. This is the most sustainable method. Create once, sell repeatedly. Examples. A study guide for entrance exams. A spreadsheet template for financial organization. A basic productivity course. You can sell in the video, via a link in the description, or even integrate with a sales page. Once you start seeing results, your job isn't done. It evolves. Use YouTube Studio to track metrics like watch time, retention, and engagement. See which videos perform best and do more of that. Keep learning. Keep testing. Maybe longer videos work better. Or maybe shorts are driving most of your traffic. Build a community by replying to comments, asking questions, and requesting feedback. This is what sets you apart from creators who just show up, post, and disappear. Growth on YouTube doesn't come from chasing random trends. It comes from understanding what your audience wants and delivering more of it. You don't have to chase fads. You just need to follow what your audience is asking for. And most importantly, you don't have to do it all alone. Ask for help, exchange ideas, show your journey. I've seen students start from zero, no camera, no script, no experience, and within 6 to 12 months, be making thousands from their channels. One started with study tips and grew to over 100K subscribers. Another used shorts to teach basic coding and began selling digital guides. They didn't do anything magical. They simply showed up, stayed consistent, and focused on helping people. How many people need exactly what you have to teach? How many are waiting for an answer you already have? You don't have to be the best in the world. You just need to show up, help, and keep going. If you want this, start today. Create your channel. Plan your first few videos. Upload your first piece of content. And keep going. If you found value in this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you don't miss any future tips. Drop a comment below. Tell me what niche you're thinking of or what's holding you back. I read every single one. Thanks for watching. And let's put all this into practice and make your channel blow up